Hi, how are you? I hope you're okay. I am Gustavo. I am from Catanduva, a student at FATEC Catanduva. I am 20 years old and these are my college friends.
Hello, my name is Lucas. I am 18 years old and I also study at FATEC Catanduva. We noticed the difficulties to download and install the Microsoft Teams program. To help us, we called our other friend.
Hello, my name is Patrick. I am 8 years old. I also study at FATEC Catanduva and now we go to step by step. Click on the first link in the description from the video. Click to download to desktop. Download Teams and write. At the bottom left, write for the file to load and click to run it.
Step 3. Waiting for the loading bar. After some time the application will open.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Insert your login and password provided by the institution and enjoy! That's all. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked the video, leave a comment. Bye bye!
Bye guys!
Bye!
That's all, folks.